dreaming big and need a financial boost to make those dreams a reality. Let's find out how a TymeBank personal loan can help you get there. Applying for a TymeBank personal loan is designed to be straightforward first. You'll need to download the TymeBank app from your app store or visit their website if you prefer. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Loans section and tap on Apply for a Personal Loan. The first step is to confirm your eligibility. TymeBank typically requires you to be over 18, a South African citizen, and to have a valid South African ID number. You'll also generally need to be employed with a regular source of income. Next, you'll be prompted to enter some personal and financial details. This includes your employment information, income, and existing financial commitments. Be prepared to upload clear images of your South African ID document, and your most recent payslips. A recent bank statement might also be requested to verify your income and spending habits. Based on the information you provide, TymeBank will assess your application. If approved, you'll be presented with personalized loan offers. Carefully review the loan amount, the interest rate, the repayment period, and the monthly installment for each offer. Make sure it aligns with your budget and financial goals. Once you've chosen the offer that best suits you, you'll need to accept the loan agreement digitally. This is usually done by simply confirming your acceptance. TymeBank is known for its efficient processes. So after your agreement is confirmed, the funds are typically transferred directly into your TymeBank account within a short time frame, often the same day. And that's it. You've successfully applied for a TymeBank personal loan. With the funds secured, you can now confidently move forward with your major expenses or financial goals. Whether it's home renovations, education, or consolidating debt, TymeBank is here to help you achieve your financial aspirations.